Sunbeam after my vacation. All the stuff has shown up to do the 2-barrel conversion. So first order of business, I did take the little nipple out there for the coolant crossover that goes into the other manifold. I have our little plug here provided with our kit with a nice crush washer. We're going to get this baby in and started. Maybe. There we go. And then we'll crank that baby down tight. Get that in. I'm snugging her up right now just by hand. Now I also need to come up here, take this Y fitting out of the water pump, which is going to be really, really fun. And put just a straight on there for the heater. Get that all handled. And there's a couple plugs we got to put in on the manifold itself. Then we can install our manifold. With our fittings in, I did replace the one heater hose fitting to the single. There is our exhaust gasket. So our next mission here, we're gonna get our exhaust manifold located up on the studs here. Get that header up, and then we can put our new intake manifold. Woohoo! All right, we've got our exhaust manifold cranked down. I went to go put our intake manifold on, and the factory hardware, that's not gonna work, mainly because nothing for it to press on the manifold anymore. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and get some nuts for ends here, crank those babies down, make sure we leave thread out. Then I'm going to utilize these to crank down on top of and put pressure. I'm also going to get a short bowl here because the factory one went all the way through. But mocked up, that's what she looks like.